Hello, stock market enthusiasts. Let's understand the private equity, the game beyond the stock market. You know stocks, you know IPOs, you know the market prices. But let me show you how the real game that happens before all of that. This is called private equity. This is where wealthy people buy companies before they become famous, before they get listed, before the world begins to notice. This is where the real wealth is created. Think of the stock market like a movie theater. When a movie releases, everyone has access to it. That's the public market. But the real profit is made before the film releases, in the script stage, in the production stage. That's the backstage where the private equity, is called. Here, the investors own shares of the companies when they are small, growing, and unknown. If the company succeeds, the shares multiply by 5x, 10x, or sometimes 100x. This is how early investors in Infosys, DMARC, Nika, Zerodha became very, very wealthy. They didn't buy the stock after the IPO, but they brought it before. Let's understand how the value is created in private equity. In private equity, you don't just create or invest money, you upgrade the business. You help build better strategy, better pricing, better distribution, better leadership, and better technology. You're not just buying shares, but you are building the company. And when the company grows, your ownership value grows. And this is how wealthy people create wealth, not by trading, but by building. Now, the big question is how do you enter this world? It's very simple. Start understanding businesses, business models, not the stock prices. Learn how to reach profitability, cash flows, and scalability. Start small with angel investing networks, startup and syndicate, AIF platforms, or build your own business. That's the purest form of private equity. Remember, you don't need growth to start. You need education and access. The wealthy don't wait for success to become obvious. They identify value before the market recognizes it. And that is the difference between being comfortable and being wealthy. Become to level two investing and become a level two investor. So have a super, super Elysian day.